Let's take a closer look at the unsung hero of my bathroom cleaning routine, this Clorox Toilet Wand. Now say goodbye to that smelly old toilet brush that sits in the holder next to your toilet. And now say hello to the easiest way to keep your toilet fresh and clean. And let me show you how it works. Now the refill disposable heads are sold separately, but they are stored in the container. And so what you do is you take that wand off. So you take one out of the container, and then this lever you push, it hooks to the disposable, and then you release it. And then you begin scrubbing. It gets underneath the rim. You can scrub the whole toilet, and they do suggest to let the toilet soak for about 12 minutes before you flush it down. And then what you do is you unrelease this lever, and it releases the disposable, which I will throw right in the garbage. This bathroom wand eliminates the need to carry around a bottle of a cleaner and your toilet brushes because it's an all-in-one. And then you get a new disinfectant refill every time you clean a toilet. And I highly recommend this toilet wand.